Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, you've got nav there. The first time you use it, you just have to click agree to say you're not going to be distracted while you're driving. You've got destination entry up there. On-road, if you click nav again, you've got on-road navigation and off-road navigation, but up to destination entry. Postcode's easiest. It's a real good simple system. We are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. It defaults to numbers, which not all of them do. 5, 4, J, S. So that's PR5, 4JS. It's come up here. Now you have to click OK to select it, and then you have to click go. So you have to tell it a few times.